Yo, is my lens just dirty?
Yeah, your lens is dirty as fuck. I got you.
Thank you.
Spit on that thing. Don't touch that 11 mini, bro.
Nah, you can touch it. Whoa.
I wouldn't touch it.
That's fucked up, G.
I don't even want to be near it.
That's fucked up.
But I'll fucking, it'll break and then you'll blame me.
No, it's fine. Everything, this probably got such bad props on it. Sorry. Fuck it.
FTW.
Oh, I gotta get my red light clip. That's right.
You do.
Yeah, I already did that shit. Thank you, bro.
You already did it?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Whole line.
What's the line?
Over the red light, down through that little tube, then like this way, power back up into the fucking UFOs.
You got a different line.
Oh, yeah,
No, you.
Oh,
damn, busy.
imagine. Fuck that thing, man. Oh, I tried, G. I tried. Yeah, a little bit. What you talking about? Fuck you. Oh, come on. I don't know. That was some bullshit. Whatever. Whatever. Fuck it, man. Fuck it.